alloy wheels, anti-whiplash front head restraints, automatic temperature control, Bose 2-channel premium audio system with 10 speakers, clean Carfax. No accidents. Dual front side impact airbags, 4-wheel independent suspension, heated steering wheel, high-intensity discharge headlights, Infinity hard drive navigation system, memory seat, one owner, power driver seat, power moonroof, premium package, radio, AM Fathom per Candela MP3 playback capability, steering wheel memory, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and streaming audio via duct Bluetooth wireless technology. Imagine yourself behind the wheel of this good-looking 2011 Infiniti M37. Infiniti has established itself as a name associated with quality. This Infiniti M37 will get you where you need to go for many years to come.